Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest car care tips and tricks videos. Today we are looking at how often to replace an air filter in the car and step-by-step guide on how to replace your vehicle's air filter. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into it. Air filters play a crucial role in your car's health by keeping dirt and other particles from entering and damaging your engine. It enhances fuel efficiency, ensures optimal horsepower, and finally help to reduce emissions. How often to replace air filter in car? So when should you replace them? A good rule of thumb is every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. However, if you're hitting the dusty trails or country roads regularly, you might need to change it more frequently. Your vehicle's manual isn't just there to take up glove box space, folks. It can give you specific recommendations on when to change the air filter for your car model, so make sure to check it out. Now, what is the cost of replacing an air filter in a car? Well, the cost of replacing an air filter in a car can vary widely depending on the make and model of your vehicle, the type of air filter you purchase, and whether you decide to do it yourself or hire a professional. So if you choose to do it yourself, an air filter replacement for a regular car can range anywhere from $10 to $50, and it could be more with a higher-end or specialized filter. And if you choose to have a professional mechanic or service center auto store replace the filter for you, labor costs will add up to the total. This could be anywhere from $60 to $100 or more depending on who or where you take your car to. Keep in mind, these are just estimates, and actual costs can vary. Always check with your local auto parts store or service center for the most accurate and up-to-date pricing. Now let's get started on how to replace your car air filter. First things first, safety is paramount, so make sure your vehicle is off and completely cooled down. The air filter is usually housed or located in a black rectangular box on the side of the engine bay. Now don't be scared to get in there. Open up that casing and you've got your air filter. Take it out and give it a good look. If it's so dirty you can't even see its original color, then it's a clear sign that it's begging for a replacement. And now, get the new air filter. You can easily get these at any auto parts store or order them online. Now comes the fun part. Installing the new filter is a breeze. Just slide it into the spot where the old one was. Make sure it's snug and secure, then close the casing, and you're all done. Tips and caution when replacing car air filters. 1. Always start by consulting your vehicle's owner's manual. This will provide you with the specific type of air filter your car needs, its location, and how to access it. Every car model can have different specifications and setups. 2. Ensure you purchase the correct air filter for your car. It should be listed in your owner's manual. You can also ask the auto parts store clerk for assistance. 3. Before starting, make sure your car is off and completely cooled down to avoid burns or other injuries. It's also a good idea to disconnect the battery for safety. 4. Before removing the old filter, inspect it. Light clogs or dust is normal and doesn't necessarily require replacement. 5. Before installing the new air filter, use a damp cloth to clean out the filter housing to remove any residual dust or debris. 6. When installing the new air filter, make sure it fits snugly and is seated properly in the housing. If it's loose or skewed, it may not be a fit. 7. After replacing the filter, ensure that you've put everything back correctly. The air filter housing should be securely fastened, and nothing should be out of place. 8. And finally, remember to dispose of your old filter properly. With this easy fix, you've taken a step to improve your car's performance, extend its lifespan, and you might even notice some savings on fuel costs. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe. Until next time, bye.